Hey, it is Sandy, and I am here with the first of 6 recipes from the March recipe box from Simply Earth. Right now, we're going to make the luminous facial serum. So what you're going to need is a 1-ounce serum bottle. So it's got a dropper. You're going to need some almond oil. You're going to need 3 essential oils. One is lavender, which I talked about this week already. So go back and find that video where I talked about lavender. Another essential oil called Clear Skin. This one has cedarwood, tea tree, lemon, juniper berry, and sandalwood essential oils. And then the Simply Us essential oil. And this is a blend of lemon, lavender, marjoram, and neroli essential oils. Neroli is one of my favorites. It smells like the orange blossoms in Florida in the spring when the trees are blooming, the orange trees are blooming. I can smell the neroli in this. So let's get to it. So we need 2 tablespoons of, let me do it. 2 tablespoons of almond oil, which I think this is 2 tablespoons. So I have my little funnel here today, and I'm going to pour in the 2 tablespoons. I got this really cool measuring glass that has tablespoons, teaspoons, ounces, and milliliters on Temu. Fabulous. I need 3 drops of Clear Skin essential oil. This has a nice, I smell the cedarwood in this one. So 3. 1, 2, 3. And 2 drops of lavender. And I forgot to open this. Don't tell my mother. 2 drops of lavender. And 1 drop of the Simply Us essential oil. All right, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to mix this up real well after I cap the top. Always remember to label your creations. This one I already spilled almond oil on it, so kind of icky, but mix it up, and then what you'll be doing is you'll be using this after you wash your face, and you'll add some, you'll add a couple drops, 3 drops. Smells really nice too, and you'll be using this on your face. My face isn't clean right now, so I'll use it tonight. And you'll be using it to moisturize and to brighten your skin. And that is the Luminous Facial Serum from this month's recipe box from Simply Earth. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I will leave all the information for you to get your very own box and your free $45 gift card. Take care. Bye.